This is Mary. She manages a mission-driven nonprofit. She is hardworking, a fantastic manager who does lots of things well, but is wearing a dozen hats, like a lot of nonprofit managers do. Unfortunately, Mary has to terminate an employee named Bill. After separating from Mary's nonprofit, Bill goes to the state employment office and files a claim for unemployment. So what happens next? The employment office notifies Mary that Bill has filed an unemployment claim. They ask her to explain, with documentation, the reason for the separation. Mary does her best to outline her reasons for terminating Bill and to support it with proper documentation. But remember, Mary wears many hats for her nonprofit and is not an unemployment expert. Therefore, Mary is surprised when she finds out that Bill's claim was approved and Bill is receiving benefits. And Mary says, "That seems odd. Why was that the decision?" So why should Mary be concerned about this? Because the claims ultimately end up costing Mary's nonprofit money. Every year, the state charges her an unemployment benefits premium. And every year, Mary sends budget money to the state to pay that premium. And now that Bill is collecting unemployment benefits, the state is going to increase Mary's premium. Her operating expenses have increased because she has not been able to control her employee turnover costs. Now she has to raise funds to meet the difference. Mary thinks there has got to be a better way to control and plan for these employee turnover costs. And there is. In part 2 of our series, we will provide an answer to Mary's question by examining why the unemployment system is an unnecessary burden on nonprofits and what can be done to save Mary's nonprofit upwards of 40% on her employee turnover costs. To learn more about 501c services, visit www.501c.com.